Okay, this video is going to go over number 6 from lesson 7.5, just a solve question. We've already got it as a single log, so we don't need to do anything to isolate it. We just need to switch forms right away. All right, so the base here is invisible 10. So if we switch forms, we just have base 10. Since log means find exponent, there's our exponent. So in the other form, we have a base of 10 exponent of 0 equals our value of 5 minus 2x. Right, now it's just a matter of doing some algebra. 10 to the 0, right? If you're not sure what that is, just type in 10 hat 0. As weird as it seems, it's actually not 0, it's 1. Okay, so 10 to the 0 is 1. 5 minus 2x. So minus 5 from both sides now. Solving for x like we're used to. So negative 4 equals negative 2x. Divide by negative 2. And x is equal to 2. That's it. Thanks for watching.